Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marian. Welcome back again. So guys, on this channel it's all about making money online, tips and tutorials, and website review. So on today's video I'm going to give you just a summary on task you can do on Jumaworkers. And if you haven't watched my previous video, kindly make sure you have watched them. So I have uploaded them recently, like 1 hour ago, 4 hours ago. As you can see, it's a Sprout Gig Alternative, easy guide on how to do SEO and promote. So I'm going to show you my easy 5 tasks. So let's head over to Google. Let's search for Jumaworkers. So this is the website. Let's click here. So if you're new, I'm going to link a link of the website in my description. Kindly make sure you check up. So you need to input your first name, last name, email, username, password, the gender, your country. So this thing is worldwide, so make sure you use your country. There is no need to use a VPN. So let me log in and then we proceed to my favorite 5 tasks that I do on Jumaworkers. So here we are guys. So my number 1 task is about social media, and for social media I mean Twitter. As you can see here, Twitter. We have another one for Facebook. So let me show you one. We have Facebook, we have Instagram. Let me check one. Instagram, we have LinkedIn. Yeah, so my second best task is about YouTube. So for YouTube, you can watch videos, subscribe, like the videos. Yeah, so as you can see, for this one is YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube. My third one, it's about SEO promote, and SEO promote, it's the best, and it's usually being uploaded like daily. You can find these tasks. So my fourth one, it's about reviews. For reviews, you review Google Map or Trustpilot. So, and for my last and not least, it's about downloading any app. So as you can see here, download free dating app, download and sign up, new users only. As you can see here, download ebook, download and install, download. So that's are my 5 best tasks that you can do on Jumaworkers, but there is more like this one for sign up on this few websites, but for me, I don't usually do them, but you can try them. They are best, they are also good. Yeah, and that's it for today guys. That's my best track that I usually do on Jumaworkers, so kindly make sure to check it out. Yeah, see you in my next video.